This experience at Snow College is a very unique one in that not many people get the opportunity to work with these world-renowned musicians like Carl Allen, Eddie Allen, Sullivan Fortner, Corey. It's just really a unique opportunity, and I think that people should take advantage of it if they're in the Utah area or any surrounding area. It's been a pleasure for me not only to be kind of a vessel from which the students learn, but honestly, watching and listening to the other instructors, I feel like I'm getting a lesson in so many things in addition to getting a lesson in how to teach and how to communicate ideas and how to be fun and how to connect with students. So I have learned a great deal from the workshop, and I think that if I've learned as much as I have, I know that other students and other musicians alike will learn a wealth of, and get a wealth of information from the workshops. I definitely think that if you are interested in studying music beyond high school, I think that Snow is a great place to come. I have had the pleasure of being adjunct for the last year and connecting with the vocalist at Snow, and so if you're a vocalist, you might get to work with me. If you're a drummer, you get to work with the great Carl Allen. It's just so many great opportunities and experiences that you can get from the workshop at Snow College.